Money cannot buy you happiness. I do not agree with this statement. It makes no sense. If money cannot buy you happiness, why are people buying lottery tickets? Why are people buying houses or cars, nice cars? I think what it is money can't buy you infinite happiness, but it can still buy you happiness. Let's say you go to the movies and you buy a ticket to the movie, right? You obviously spend money to get that ticket. You watch the movie and the movie is finished. The movie is gone. The movie's gone. It's finished. However, that money got you that ticket to watch the movie in the first place. You go to the grocery store, buy some food, and you go home. You sit the food down and it spoils, let's say. But the thing is, that money got you that food in the first place. It's whatever you wanted to do with that food. Or let's say you cook the food and you eat the food. The food is gone. However, the money got you that food in the first place. So you buy anything that makes you happy. That means money bought you that happiness. That does not mean you're going to be happy forever. You may buy a nice car. And this car doesn't make you happy for a long time. Let's say you're not happy with this car anymore and you want to sell it. However, there was that one point in time where you bought the car and you were happy, which means money bought you that happiness. If people are thinking that money cannot buy you happiness, they're either thinking that it's not infinite happiness, or the people who are saying that money can't buy you happiness are probably miserable. There are probably people who have a lot of money and they're probably gambling their money away. That does not mean that money can't buy happiness for anyone else, because money can. If anyone gets rich, they're obviously going to be happy. Let's say they blow their money away and they become broke. That does not mean that at one point in time they were not happy, because they were. At one point in time, they were happy with all the money. Or let's say they buy a stock. Obviously, you use money to buy that stock. The stock goes up and it makes them millions of dollars, let's say. That means that money got them that money in the first place. Let's say you buy a car, a nice car. Obviously, you use money to buy that car. If the car depreciates or it dies, that car is worthless. But there is a point in time where money bought you that car. If that car, that nice car, made you happy, that means money bought you that happiness. Money can buy you anything. But just because that thing goes away, that does not mean that money did not buy you that thing. That is my point. I am tired of seeing people say money can't buy you happiness. They're probably miserable people. You can't say that money can't buy you happiness and then you're working a job. Because why are you working a job? If money can't buy you happiness, why do you have a 9-to-5 job? Why do you have to buy a house or get a car? You don't need to do anything other than, of course, living your life to make sure you can sustain yourself. Obviously, you have to buy food so you can eat. You have to buy a house for shelter. If this does not make you happy, it doesn't make you happy to get a nice house, if it doesn't make you happy to get a nice car or be able to sustain yourself, then you're a miserable person. You're miserable for saying that money cannot buy you happiness. For millionaires who are saying that money cannot buy you happiness, give me your money. Just give me your money. And I'll be so happy. I will be really, really happy with that money. That is all.